Hurricane Douglas is slowly weakening and towards the Hawaiian Islands. NHC is giving 105 miles per hour and downgraded to hurricane status. From my analysis, it is now 170 kilometers per hour and a pressure of 975 hectopascals. It is moving WNW at 29 kilometers per hour and located at 18.8 and 147.6 W. The eye is now closed and the wind field becomes smaller because the storm is weakening. The storm will arrive tomorrow night. There are 695 kilometers from Hilo, 845 from Maui, 930 from Molokai, 1015 from Honolulu and 1200 from Kauai. Sea surface temperature is not favorable anymore. It is about 25 degrees left. Vertical wind shear is still favorable, which is about 10 to 15 knots. The chance is getting bigger as the storm moves closer. There are 30% for Hilo to experience gale wind, 52% in Maui, 55% in Molokai, 39% in Honolulu and 35% in Kauai. The intensity is expected to decrease very slowly, but it is surprising that some models expected to have another peak. Vertical wind shear is going to rise rapidly and become unfavorable after 27/7. Although sea surface temperature is not favorable now, it will warm up gradually later. Humidity continues to drop, which is now 55%. The latest satellite imageries show that remains a powerful hurricane. The eye had been collapsed because there are not enough sea surface temperature. Also, the cloud top temperature is not cold. Therefore it is expected to weaken slowly, moving towards the Hawaiian Islands, and it is possible for hurricane landfall. Who live in the Hawaiian Islands ought to aware for the storm coming. Finally, thank you for watching this video.